In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TurboTax by phone. If you need live help and want to reach TurboTax support more directly, this process is very simple. We'll be using the help area inside TurboTax to find the option that connects you with a specialist. Start by opening the TurboTax page shown on your screen. Once the page has fully loaded, look for the search bar. This is the main place where TurboTax lets you look up help topics, support options, and common questions. If you're already signed in, that can make the support experience smoother since the platform may guide you to options that match your account or tax situation. In the search bar, type the phrase "talk to a specialist." Make sure you enter it clearly so TurboTax can return the most relevant support results. After typing it in, pause for a moment and let the system show the available help suggestions or search results. This step is important because it tells TurboTax that you're not just looking for an article or self-service answer. Instead, you're trying to reach a real support person. In many cases, this search helps surface the contact pathway for getting phone support or speaking with a live expert. As you review the results, pay attention to any options related to contacting support, speaking with an agent, or getting help from a specialist. Depending on the version of the site or your account status, the wording may vary slightly, but the key is that the search term helps bring up the correct support route. If you don't immediately see the exact phone option, stay within the help results connected to that search phrase. TurboTax often organizes support options through guided prompts, so following the results from Talk to a Specialist is usually the fastest way to reach the phone contact flow. One helpful tip is to make sure you're on the official TurboTax website before continuing, especially if you found the page through a browser search. That helps you avoid third-party listings and ensures you're seeing the correct support tools. So, to recap, the action you need to take is simply to use the TurboTax search bar and type "talk to a specialist." From there, TurboTax will guide you toward the available support options, including the path to phone assistance when it's offered. That's all for this quick tutorial. If you follow that search step carefully, you'll be in the right place to continue the process and get help from TurboTax support.